Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for instance, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First of all guys, we can click on this PIP option, and we have to import the same video as the video we have imported before, and this is the same video. I'm gonna click on it, then we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen, then we can put mask to the second video. Click on the mask. We're going to use the mask to cover the unwanted object. I'm gonna go with the circle mask, for example. Then we can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover this object. And after that, we can click on this check mark and we can drag the mouse to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and now it's done. Then we can click on this check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted objects from our video on Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.